You would think the sneaks educated with these big words. Leave them in the street with wings, turn them into big birds. Serving nice by the scoop, you can call me Big Worm. She say that little shit gon' do the job, I'm tryna clock in. Oh shit, we gon' do a op-in. Shooter locked in, his main missions leave him boxed in. 20 on the floor with MGM, I pray the Sox win.
And I'ma tell you something, this pimping that I got in my blood, it came from a family tree. My granddaddy was a pimp. My great-great-great-granddaddy was a pimp. I'm talking about pimping, since pimping. It's in your blood, it's in my blood.
What I say, bitch, kill the noise. He'll get boinked reaching for a chain, in here twisting doinks. You can put a bitch on her feet, she'll still try to knock you off yours. That shit dumb, honestly.
What is good, everybody, man? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy John P5 TV, and we back with another video, man. Now, I'm really watching one of my favorite. I ain't even gonna say favorite vloggers, but I mess with his videos. But he only posts like once every 2 months, you feel me? And I'm watching it. I'm literally a minute 15 into this video, and I'm like, I'm not gonna be in the house all day. I just got a brand new car yesterday. Why not vlog? You feel me? So I'm gonna do that. Like, share, comment, subscribe, road to 1K. Welcome to the video. Jesus is the way. Let's do it. Peep the fit today, man. Got some, I don't even know what to call these. But they from Fashion Nova. I ain't gonna lie. This ain't no Balenciaga. This ain't no Louis. This ain't no Versace. This is, I feel me? Anybody can attain this, but not everybody can put it on though. You feel me? Feel me? Got the watch. You feel me? Nail bracelet. First time being featured on the channel. You feel me? You feel me? Now, I'm about to show you the new car. I just got it yesterday, literally. It's brand new, factory made. Not off the lot, off the truck. Not off the lot, off the truck. Gotta find some shoes. There's a slight issue with it, and I don't know if I want to make a big deal about it or not. Because again, this is not off the lot. This is, I put in a custom order for this. I had to wait 7 weeks for them to make it. I had to stress about getting it across the border because you know these damn tariffs are about to go crazy. So there's a slight issue with it. I really don't know if I want to make a big deal about it or not. Jesus, cold, bro. This don't make no sense. So this is it. First of all, I'll show you this. 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited, all black. With y'all already, if you know me, y'all know how I don't got my keys, but with the cream interior. You feel me? You feel me? But here's the slight issue. It's kind of bright outside. I don't even know if y'all can see that. There's the scratch right here. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but it's a pretty hefty scratch for this car to be brand new, and it's not like, I don't feel it. So it must be under this layer of paint, because this is smooth. I don't feel anything. You know, usually you could feel the scratch. I don't feel anything. So I don't know if they I don't know what happened, you feel me? But that's that. I'm taking it to Wicked Metallics, who ironically, my last vlog where they had that music video shoot, and I was like, oh, do you do the stars? And I geeked out. So I'm taking it there and get a quote and all that. I'll probably go to the mall. I want to take some pictures. I ain't took some pictures in a long time. I want to take some pictures. And I got to go to class. Hashtag student life first, scholar, all that shit. You feel me? Got to go to class. It's actually my last in-person class. We're doing conferences today. My appointment is at 2:30. It's 1:40. It's 1:35 right now. I just finished my paper. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you my. I'm gonna show you my paper. Air travel is still safe. I felt like this was the best thing for me to write about since I'm a student pilot, even though I haven't flown a plane in over a year, which that will be changing soon. Trust me. I'm finna get up there. But yeah, I wrote this. You feel me? 5 pages. So I'll probably instead of running my mouth and shit, I'm gonna watch this. Get in the car, go to class, I'm gonna go pick up my friend. And today's gonna be a great day. Like, share, comment, subscribe, road to 1K. Jesus is the way. If you in the storm, you're gonna make it out, because trust me, I did. And let's do it. Yes, sir. I do live in Southfield. Yeah, that's perfect. We can do that. Let's go, man. God, you're so great. Oh, God, you're great. Let's go, man. New job, more money, more stocks, more opportunities, more video inquiries I've been getting. So before I got called, trying to decide what kind of look I want to go for today. I'm really starting to get back into the no pendant or really no neck piece kind of lifestyle again. Ever since I got this, I feel like this is really all I need. You know, it's easy. It doesn't bring too much attention. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. I'm doing this today. Yeah, I'm gonna do this today. All right. I'm finna go. Oh, I need to turn this in. Duh. Turn this in. All right. Yeah. So I've been waiting to do a cologne video because I want to do the cologne video. Obviously, rate all my colognes, but then I also want to buy like 4-5 good bottles. Not. I mean, these are all good bottles, but these are all like 100, 120, 200. I want to step up, go to the next level, the $400, the $500, the $700 bottles of cologne. You feel me? Because after 2 hours, let's be real, if I don't spray enough, I'm not smelling it. You feel me? All right, we're at Oakland County Community College, or Oakland Community College. I don't know where the county comes from. I add it every time. Just left my 3-minute meeting with my teacher. She says, I'm an excellent writer. This is my English class. Excellent writer, excellent student. I have an A. Who the fuck do she think she is? Who does she think she is?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get this down. Got me looking like a deadbeat.
What?
You are not.
Trying to see. Are you recording?
Yes, bro. I'm a full-time YouTuber, bro. Did you forget? Finna go walk around, shop around, spend some money, take some pictures, because I'm feeling good, feeling fly. Young nigga got a new car and don't know how to act. All right, so I'm here at Nike, at the Nike store. You feel me? And I want one of them new sets that they got. I don't think this is it. This definitely not it. But y'all know, I'm gonna put it on the screen. But this is hella thin, bro. Here we go, chat. I want the gray and white one. But this one cool too. It's $115. This shit cheaper than the other one. And this is way better material. Alright, y'all, we at the suit store. Try this one on. This is my third time. This is my third suit I done tried on. And I look good in all of them.
I didn't get nothing. I didn't get
Chat how I look. Chat how. You like this? I'm finna go look at it. I'm finna go look in the mirror. What's your name? Here she go. Excuse me. What's your name?
God, do not put me on the camera.
Why you just walk away like that? Bro, why y'all be so shy, bro? Oh my God. Come on, man. I've been doing this for how long? And you worried about 5 people seeing it?
Cause like, why of all days?
Bro, I never do it.
Wait, on my birthday.
What are we doing for your birthday? You don't even know.
Yes, I do. I have a dinner this Friday.
Where my invite?
I was sending it to you today. I promised you I was. And then we get a hotel room this weekend.
Yo.
With all my friends, all my homegirls.
They bad?
With who?
They bad?
Yeah. You met? Oh my goodness.
Alright, YouTube, so we're sitting here at waiting on her mom to try some stuff. We've been at Lulu for about 20 minutes now. But at least Lulu has some place to sit unlike the other store. So we're hey. She's trying to move and shit. So it's currently 7:45. Didn't intend on being at the mall this long, but we did get here late. We got here probably about like 6. So we'll see what happens after this. I do want to go downtown. I know we gotta go to Canton. Who you see? Is it Jesus? Is he back yet? I'll see Jesus. So yeah, that's that. I'll probably update y'all when we leave the mall. So it don't look like I'ma do any shopping today. Yeah, I do want to take some pictures though, but we losing hella something. What are you trying to do? Who is it? What could it be? I'm gonna figure her out right quick, and yeah, I keep. All right, y'all, we leaving the mall. We either finna eat out here in Troy, or we finna go downtown. Then we gonna go to Belleville, say hi to some family and friends. Want some hand sanitizer? No. But yeah, man, this is my car at night. It's not pitch black, obviously, but you know we got the ambient lighting that flow all the way across this shit right here. I put my lights down there. Did an insane job on the wiring. Only like a blue collar nigga can. You feel me? Yeah, man, we finna chill, we finna ride. And I'll pick up the camera when we get to our restaurant or wherever the hell we going. So we finna get so we finna get fish bones with it, you feel me? In the city type shit. New car type shit. I should have got that. It's time for you to get put up. I'm finna put you up. Digit dollars and spending later. We're leaving. Good spot, good food. Did you like your food? Oh, I wanted to give her some of the sauce, but
Just making change from another place. I still got demons from my younger days. I wish I could shake them, but they follow me.
I ain't gonna lie, cop cool as hell, bro. Just got the car, bro. Literally just got the car. He told me, I can't read your plates, bro. I just got the car. So I'm home. I low-key should have recorded like the whole thing. It was like I was pulled over for maybe 3 minutes, 5 max. It was like I couldn't see your plates, which is understandable because it's in the window. The plate is in the window, you know, glares and all that. It's pitch black outside. And you know they be stealing the fuck out of them cars. So you know I couldn't see your plate, and then so I pulled you over. So I could see the plate, read the plate, came back cool. He was like, I see the car's brand new. I showed him the mileage and all that shit. He was like, oh, you must have just got it. Because it shows up as new, he told me, but it doesn't show up as how new it is. I'm like, yeah, I just got it yesterday. So, gave him all my info and all that shit, you know. Cool cop. Cop was probably like 23. Cop was young as hell. But, you know, cool cop, no ticket. I mean, I didn't do anything. But back at the crib, it's 12 o'clock, like I predicted me getting back. I actually just thought about it. I'm gonna vlog my friend's probate. It's tomorrow. Ironically, I was supposed to be going back to NCAT for another probate this weekend, but I went back to my weekend job after being gone for 3 weeks. I didn't want to come back and then be gone a week later. So I'm missing that. But I think I'll be at NK in May for something for band. So we'll see about that. Then I think I'm going to the Pistons game on Thursday. I'm not sure yet. But if not, we'll discuss that tomorrow. But I am going in today's part of the video here. I gotta get my windows tinted ASAP. So I know I ain't really vlog a lot yesterday. I'm back at the mall. I ain't vlog a lot yesterday, but yesterday was the probate and the after party. I think that's what I recorded. I got the job, you feel me? Cool little sales job, you know what I'm saying? That's just fucking look at me. But yeah, man, I got the job. I'm gonna go back when I finish school in like 2 weeks. And we're gonna go from there, decide what position, or I know it's sales, but what exact sales position I'm gonna get. And yeah, man, we're gonna be good. We're gonna be straight. Bro, you know shit crazy if the clothes says MSRP, bro. This shit says MSRP, bro. This ain't the lot, bro. This ain't even no crazy stones either, dog. I was like, if it was like 2 something, like who even is this? Demise? I don't even know who that is. Bro, I remember peeping Casablanca before they took off for real, bro. And they still not as big as I thought they would be. But bro, they so tough. Casablanca is so tough. Like I remember I was gonna get this hat, but then they had sold out of it and I completely forgot about it. This shit hard. This shit hard. I didn't even know they made coats. I'm not gonna lie, this is a rare example in the designer world of things. This is another shade. This is a rare example when qualities over runs the price. These pants, right?
Put it into place, makes any sense. And no walking around.
Okay. These pants are like 10 pounds. I can't remember. Okay. Maybe like 5, right? These got some weight to them.
Maybe get a better lawyer.
Nigga, my legs will actually tired, right? Right? And they nice. These are only $500. I will buy this. This is $500. These are dog, this shit is heavy as hell. This is probably about 3 something. This is 3.
This is an elementary school, so I have to go to the bathroom. I'm not to bed.
Alright, I'm on a new mission while I'm in here. I want to wear a triple-breasted suit for Easter. that's why I didn't get none, or that's not why, but that's another reason why I didn't get one of those suits the other day. The new mission is find a triple-breasted suit today while I'm at the mall. It's 110. This feels really weird, and I'm sure it's like $5,000. Find a triple-breasted suit. I don't know where to go. Giorgio Armani might have one. I doubt it though, because I've never seen one from them. But find a triple-breasted suit. That is the mission for today. And if it's not a crazy price, which on this side of the mall it probably will be, I'll buy it.
Okay, cool.
All right, now we're in Britain, and I just ordered me some sushi. It'll be ready in about 10-15 minutes. I hit this left turn. Hold on now, partner. You see I got the green light, motherfucker. Don't fuck up my new shit now. But just ordered my sushi. It'll be ready in a couple minutes. Finna just drive around. There's nowhere to park. I did not anticipate it to be this busy at 1:58 p.m. So I'm gonna just drive around for the next 10-15 minutes. Then park. Oh shit. Drive around for the next 10-15 minutes, then park outside illegally and run in there, grab my great Chinese eats that's not tariffed at the moment. At least it shouldn't be. I hope not. And was that racist? Is that racist? Don't cancel me. If that was racist, please don't cancel me. I'm sorry. But secure, bro. They know me by my name up there. Like I just walked in, they automatically knew who I was, which is kind of crazy. Cause 2 years ago, I promised I would never eat sushi, and now look at me. But I'm about to go to Men's Warehouse, see if they have that triple-breasted white suit, which I doubt, cause I didn't see it on the website. I also didn't look on the website either. But we're gonna see. I hope they. I really want this suit. So I went in there, they didn't have it. But he did point me to somewhere that may have it. And I was calling it the wrong thing the whole time. It's a double-breasted suit, not a triple-breasted suit. So that's also very valuable information. Damn, I got all this shit in my head. That's also very valuable information. But I want to eat my sushi. Damn, dirty-ass car, man. Tides Mentor. Okay, hold on. We're back at home, big money. You feel me? Got some sushi, finna destroy this. Honestly, probably finna take a nap. Then I'm about to go to church, play the drums. We got practice. My first time playing the drums at church in probably 7 years, and my first time playing live. Well, I mean it's practice. I'm playing on Easter, right? But that'll be my first time playing live in front of people and with other people in almost 2 years, which is crazy. So I'm looking excited about that. But I'm about to eat this, and I'll pick up the camera probably when I get to church, or pick up the camera or something. I've recorded like videos for me, but I have not recorded no videos for me. My bad. It's been about an hour, or it's been about 2.5 hours. Pretty good, going good. My bad, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I don't even know when the last day I picked up the camera was. I low-key want to say Thursday. Today is Saturday. I went and got the suit. I'll put a picture over here somewhere. I look fly. Got me some hibachi. Just got done taking some pictures, finna post them. And then this video, I got 3 videos to edit, including this one. So this will probably come out some day this week, maybe before or after Easter. Shit. But I don't know yet. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Road to 1K. God love you. We're gone. Oh, more videos like this and much, much better On the way, bro. Just promise. I promise. This. I'm catching my flow again. But we gone. We gone. LA this big. We in the city with that big body sexy bitch. Gotta put this in the vlog. I'm gonna put this camera right.
Dog, what's too early? Hopefully. That's a breakdown. Oh, yeah, I forgot. We can move this. This is moving. Oh, yeah, I forgot this is moving. Chris do is always recording.
Bruh, I'm a YouTuber, bro. Like, what you mean, bro? That's your birthday. Turn around, bro.
Birthday. Go ahead, I'll record you. You do it first. Start us off.
I don't even know what to do.
Crump. You don't know how to crump? Crump. Like the aggressive dancing? The aggressive dancing?
Bring it on.
Have you ever watched Stump the Yard before?
What the heck, John?
This dude never watched Stump the Yard. He's never watched freaking... What's the other one you said you didn't watch?
You said don't admit it again.
Oh yeah, you're right. I did tell you never to admit that. Okay. You know what? You suck.
This at a hotel is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. You see all that alley. I ain't gonna lie. I for sure gotta come here with the little fine shits and get them all geeked out.